Muttley and Minx presents ATWi80, written by Dave Barron. Starring Imogen Farnworth, Mary Musker, Tilak Patel and Ali Newell. Episode 3, Call of Nature.
Thanks, mate. Raining dogs and cats out there. So, Seth.
Yes, Rusty?
I meant to ask you earlier, what happens, in the show, if it all goes tits up?
Ha! If what goes tits up?
When we actually perform, on stage,
You mean the show?
Yeah, the show,
Rusty, we used to have a saying in the world of photocopier engineering. Life is like an old copier. Most will use you, some will abuse you, others will drive you insane, but when things aren't working, and you've given up to working, just turn it all off and on again.
Right.
Starring a heavily pregnant former RSC actress, a deflated ballooning clown from Clapham Common, and Seth MacDonald, former photocopier engineer turned producer, director, choreographer, writer, and now leading man, in a cast of just 3. It's opening and closing night of the little-anticipated, all-singing, all-dancing adaptation of Jules Verne's Around the World in 80 Days, or ATWi80, as some like to call it.
I'm crapping it, actually, but thanks for asking. But at least my family are here to support me.
Sir, the box office have said we're only half full. Oh, and your family have returned all their tickets.
Brilliant.
As Act 1 beginners, please. All Act 1 beginners, all Act 1 beginners, please. All Act 1 beginners.
Is that me? Am I a beginner?
We're all beginners, Rusty.
Speak for yourself.
It's no lie to say the moment of truth has finally arrived, and with no going back, there is only going forward. Or standing still.
Shit.
We're on. See you on the other side.
Here we go. Tits and teeth, darlings, tits and teeth.
I don't have any.
Welcome everyone to tonight's performance of Around the World in 80 Days from the pages of Jules Verne's amazing book.
Book? I thought it was a film. Jackie Chan, all that kung fu.
Having been lowered on a wire from the theatre ceiling and completing a series of pratfalls in the opening Keystone Cop mime sequence, Sophie is already feeling the strain of being in the late stages of pregnancy.
So now, please welcome former Shakespearean actress...
Actor.
It's Sophie Tuesday.
Hi, hello everyone. It's lovely to see you. Welcome to... I'm sorry. I need to do a wee. I'm sorry.
So there's no balloon then?
No. However, we do have an elephant.
Indian or African?
It's from Slough.
Oh, I need a wee, but there's no time.
Much to everyone's surprise, including mine, the show is already going well. But that is all about to change, as Mother Nature is about to have the last belly laugh.
Okay, scene 1, Fog's Place, right. Oh, I can't see you.
That were fab! Great opening!
Where are my bloody tights? Jeez, light, I need a light. Oh.
You all right, Soph? You look like you could burst.
Someone get me a light, it's pitch black in here.
Right, gotta go.
Okay, forget the tights. Passepartout doesn't need tights anyway. Tightrope walker in his right mind would wear tights.
Come. Ah, James, how are the...
Very well, thank you, sir.
kids? Yes, and tell me, how is young Phileas?
Well, of course, he don't look like the others. He wears a top hat and speaks like a toff.
Oh, God, no. Oh, no, not now. Please don't now. Oh.
We leave tonight. I'll require 2 bags. Come.
You're a new manservant, Mr. Fogg.
Seth, I need to talk.
I'm afraid he's French.
Seth, what?
Sophie, you're out of character.
I know, but I need to...
You're meant to be French. French, do the accent.
Monsieur Seth, maison, c'est ça.
I can't understand a bloody word.
Maison, c'est ça.
Oh.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, for God's sake, my waters have broken. I'm about to give bloody birth.
Oh, God. Oh, God.
With Sophie about to give birth in front of a somewhat disappointingly half-empty theatre audience, Rusty can only dream of a standing ovation, whilst out cold and unconscious on the stage floor.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh, God.
I'm really sorry, but due to unforeseen circumstances...
Unforeseen? I've been the size of a whale since Christmas.
I'm afraid tonight's show is sadly cancelled.
Cancelled? No, it bloody isn't.
So we can't possibly do it now. Rusty is out cold, and you're about to explode.
I'm carrying a baby, not a bomb. I'll be fine. Just get on with it. Jesus.
What happened? What's going on? What happened, Soph? Has Soph had a baby?
It would seem that Seth MacDonald's venture to circumnavigate the world of Jules Verne has hit the buffers, gone off the rails, smashed into a bridge, and rolled down the embankment.
We can't do it, Sophie. We can't do it with you like this.
And someone get my mobile. Richard's going to pay for this.
You have been listening to ATWi80, starring Imogen Farmworth, Mary Musker, Tilak Patel and Ali Newell. Catch the full stage show of Around the World in 80 Days, on tour in 2021.
Is that it? Yeah? So, who do I see about getting paid for this rubbish? Hello? Are you there? Hello? Oh, I should have known.